request all the dignitaries to kindly occupy the seats. மன்னனும் மாசற கற்றோனும் சீர்தூக்கி மன்னனின் கற்றோன் சிறப்புடையன் மண்ணிற்கு தன் தேசமல்லால் சிறப்பில்லை கற்றோர்க்கு சென்ற இடமெல்லாம் சிறப்பு. We are about to commence our event by lighting the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. This is a symbolic movement that signifies the dispelling of darkness and igniting of thought and enlightenment. It's our honor to invite our dignitaries on the stage to light the lamp. We deeply appreciate their presence, marking the auspicious beginning for our proceedings today. If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, then you are a leader. It's my honor to invite our HOD, Dr. M.D. Jagannath Bose, Associate Professor and Head of the Department of Zoology, to deliver the welcome address.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am very happy and excited to stand before you for this special occasion. On behalf of the organizing committee, it is my pleasure to welcome you all for this international conference on research, innovations and trends in life sciences for sustainable development. This is the first time we are conducting international conference in our college. We are thrilled to see such a great turnout and are excited to share the knowledge and insight that our esteemed speakers are going to provide. Today we gathered together for the trends in life sciences for sustainable development, a topic of great significance and relevance in today's global landscape. We have an impressive lineup of speakers and experts who will share their insights, research and experience on this critical subject. First, I would like to extend my warm welcome to our Secretary, Mr. Chiranjeevi Macha, Theagaraya Education Institutions. Sir has encouraged us and also sponsored for this conference. Welcome you, sir. I am very happy to welcome our principal, Dr. K. Theagaraya, who has given the full support to organizing this conference. My wholehearted thank you and welcome Chief Guest and Keynote Speaker, Dr. K. Murugan, former Vice Chancellor, Icritlssd University, presently CS of Emeritus Scientist, Department of Zoology, Bharatiya University, who has taken time out of his busy schedule to be with us today. Your expertise and perspective will undoubtedly enrich our discussions and debates. My special welcome to our international guest and resource person, Dr. Ramakrishnan Ramesh Kumar, Marula Lab, Zohar Amitbad from Tallinn, Israel. Your presence is a testament to the global nature of this conference. I welcome Dr. K. Jagadishan, Technical Director, Madam Marine Hatchery and Minister Aquatic Hatchery. Next, I welcome and congratulate the coordinator and the organizing secretary of this conference, Dr. A. Bharati. She has taken much effort to organize this conference. I would like to welcome our organizing committee members for their support. Without their generosity and cooperation, this conference would not have been possible. My special welcome and thanks to our sponsors, Tamil Nadu State Council for Science and Technology and Central Bank of India, Washington branch. Finally, I welcome our staff members from various departments and also the staff members, research scholars, participants and students from various colleges and institutions. Before I conclude, I want to say a few words about our college and the department. About our college. The North Madras Secondary School was founded in the year 1897 by P.T. Theagaraya brothers to meet the educational needs of the local and downtrodden population. The Pitti brothers sponsored the school generously for about 25 years. After that passing, the school was renamed Theagaraya Hindu Secondary School. In the year 1931, the control of the school was given to a committee. The school was flourished under the leadership of the Pitti family, and by the year 1947, the student enrollment reached up to 1,600. Recognizing the need of the higher education in North Madras, the management decided to elevate the school into a college. The initiative was led by Sri P. Ramaswamy Chetty, a missionary and the grandson of senior Theagaraya Chetty, who worked relentlessly despite his poor health. The college was established in the year 1950 and affiliated to University of Madras. This year, that is 2025, we are making the 75th year of academic excellence of our great institution. And we are also planning to celebrate this festival, that means Diamond Jubilee, in a grand manner. About our department. The PG and Research Department of Zoology is one of the best departments in our college with a glorious history. The Venkateswara block housed the Natural Science Department, which offered the intermediate course to start with. Soon in 1957, affiliation for BSc College was accorded, and the department has moved to Manali Srinivasa Mudaliar block. In 1971, Natural Science Department has moved to an exclusive 3-story building, that is Biology block, paving way for accommodating the newly affiliated courses. Dr. G. Madan Mohan Rao was the head of the department and also officiated as principal between the period 1972 and 75. In 1982 was the hallmark year for us. Both MSc Zoology and the PhD in Zoology program were introduced in the same year. The vision of Dr. G. Madan Mohan Rao was blossomed into well-recognized department having all the necessary facilities like spacious laboratories, the well-stocked zoology museum, and exclusive research laboratory for research work. And we are also having air-conditioned wardrobe. In our department, many scholars were worked in our department. Few of those are Professor Agustin Chalapa, Professor Somasundaram, Professor Jaydev Babu, Dr. Madan, Dr. Manohar, Dr. T. Karaman, Dr. Chalapilli Chetty, Dr. Om Pragasam, etc. The PG and PhD research laboratories were equipped with all the necessary equipment and chemicals to facilitate students for the regular practicals and also our PhD scholars to undertake the research in a conducive manner. Our department has conducted many national and national conferences and webinars. Our students have participated and won prizes in many events in different colleges and universities. So far, our department has produced 46 PhDs. There are 6 research grades in our department. Currently, there are 12 research scholars doing their PhD program. Most of the teaching and non-teaching staff in our department are alumni. I can proudly say that I am also one of the alumni of this esteemed institution. Back to the topic, that is the conference. The international conference is a significant event for our institution, and it brings together experts and stakeholders from various fields to discuss and explore their knowledge. Throughout the next 2 days, we will engage in thought-provoking discussions, share knowledge, and forge new connections. And encourage you all to participate actively, interact, and engage with your fellow delegates. Let us celebrate our differences and find common ground in our shared pursuit of knowledge and understanding. Let us begin this encouraging journey together. Thank you, one and all. Thank you.
Your words of wisdom have set the tone for a productive and engaging this conference, sir. Thank you, sir, for the insightful speech. I'd like to request our secretary, Mr. Chiranjeevi Macha, sir, to honoring our respected chief guest, Dr. K. Murugan, sir, with the memento. Thank you, sir. I would like to request our principal, Dr. K. Theagarajan sir, to honoring our chief guest, Dr. Ramakrishnan Ramesh Kumar sir, with a memento. I would like to request our HOD, Dr. M.D. Jagannath Bose sir, to honoring our respectable secretary, Mr. Siranjeevi Macha sir, with a memento. I would like to request our coordinator and organizing secretary, Dr. A. Bharati ma'am, to honoring our respectable principal, Dr. K. Theagarajan sir, with a memento. I would like to request Dr. A. Bharati ma'am to honoring our respectable HOD sir, HOD Dr. M.D. Jagannath Bose sir, with a memento. I would like to request our HOD, Dr. M.D. Jagannath Bose sir, to honoring our organizing secretary, Dr. A. Bharati ma'am, with a memento. I would like to request our HOD, Dr. Jagannath Bose sir, to honoring our superintendent, Mr. Venkatraman sir, with a memento. Thank you, dignitaries. It's our privilege to have our principal, Dr. K. Theagarajan sir, principal of Theagaraya College, with us today, and I request principal sir to deliver the inaugural address.
Good morning to all of you here. Esteemed Chief Patron and Secretary and Correspondent of our college, through Siranjeevi Macha, respected PG and Research Department HOD of Zoology, Dr. M.K. Jagannath Bose, distinguished today's chief guest, Dr. K. Murugan, former Vice Chancellor of Thiruvalluvar University, and international delegate and special guest speaker from Israel, Dr. Ramakrishnan Ramesh Kumar, the coordinator and organizing secretary of this international conference, Dr. A. Bharati, my beloved faculty members of the Department of Zoology, HODs and other faculty members from various departments, administrative head and other administrative staff members, research scholars, students, and all the active participants of both offline and online. I am really delighted to see all of you here for the International Conference on Research Innovations and Trends in Life Sciences for Sustainable Development, organized by the PG and Research Department of Zoology. As a principal, I would proudly say that this prestigious international conference marks a significant milestone in our 75 years of educational excellence and academic excellence journey by bringing together intellectuals, scholars, and research across the globe to show their expertise and knowledge and discuss groundbreaking ideas for the better and bright future. At Theagaraya College, throughout the 75 years, we have been enriching the ethics and the values of academic excellence. Nowadays, the research findings and innovative methods in the broad field of life sciences in the universe have given concrete solutions to the unthinkable sudden outbreaks of invisible diseases. Hence, in this view, today's international conference is a testament to our commitment to creating a dynamic environment where innovative thoughts and ideas are exchanged, where present thinking and perspectives are broadened, and finally, useful collaborations are forged. I believe that the theme of the conference today is relevant to the present global scenario, where the advancement of science and technology is shaping the society. Further, I hope that the insightful discussions and research presentations that is going to take place today and tomorrow in this campus will definitely address so many key challenges and finally contribute to the knowledge body of life sciences. Hence, I take this opportunity to extend my gratitude to our distinguished speakers and expect the participants to take active part in the discussion. So with that, I am delighted to inaugurate and to declare the International Conference on Research Innovations and Trends in Life Sciences for Sustainable Development open and wish all the participants to have fruitful and enriching experience. Thank you. Thank you again, one and all.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring and thought-provoking inaugural address. It's my pleasure to invite our respected Secretary, sir, who has been a pillar of strength to our institution, Mr. Chiranjeevi Macha, sir, Secretary and Correspondent of Theagaraya Chetty Educational Institutions. I request our Secretary, sir, to deliver Presidential Address.
Good morning to you all. Distinguished guests, esteemed delegates, faculty members, students and staff. I am deeply honored to stand before you today as the Secretary of Theagaraya College and welcome you all to this prestigious international conference sponsored by Tamil Nadu State Council for Science and Technology. As we gather here today, we celebrate the rich legacy of our institution. We are happy that this conference is happening in the year 2025, which happens to be the Diamond Jubilee year of the college. As Dr. Jagannathan said, this institution, the thought of this institution was started way back in 1897. It was almost 130 years before. Two people thought about education in this locality where education was very rare. They thought by contributing themselves, because they were very rich at that time, they were very affluent people, they had all influences and they had all the money to sponsor for education. So they initially started it as a small school, which then has grown into a big college like this. And they started as a school. We also have the school functioning. The school is now more than 125 years old. In 1950, this college was started because they thought need for higher education is important. So slowly, the institution has grown such big, and we have a lot of people who have left this institution and achieved great heights. This conference brings together experts and scholars from around the world to share their knowledge, insights, and research findings. I would like to extend my warmest welcome to the speakers, presenters, and who has come here to share their expertise. Your contribution to this conference are invaluable, and we are grateful to your participation. As an institution and as a secretary, I can assure that we are very much interested in such type of conferences. Our staffs and our faculties are motivated. If they are able to do such conferences, we are always there to support them. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our conference organizers and the team who have worked tirelessly to bring this event to this fruition. Your dedication, expertise, and attention to detail have ensured that this conference will be a resounding success. Before I conclude, I would like to recall that our founders thought, they believed that education should be a transformative experience that empowers individuals to make positive impact to the society. And this conference will testament our commitment to this vision. We hope that it will inspire all of us towards more sustainable, equitable, and compassionate world. Thank you.
Your speech was truly enlightening. Thank you, Secretary Sir, for your guidance and support. It's my honor to welcome our distinguished Chief Guest, Dr. K. Murugan Sir, former Vice Chancellor, Tiruvallur University, CSIR Emeritus Scientist, Department of Zoology, Bharatiya University, to deliver the Chief Guest address.
Hello. Okay. Very good morning. Very good morning to everybody. Really, I am very, very happy to be here as one of the participants for the International Conference on Research Innovation and Trends in Life Sciences for Sustainable Development. Really, it is a very nice thing to organize this particular conference at this great college of Theagaraya College. It has been started as our President, Mr. Chiranjeevi Macha sir, told that it started 1837. At the outset, first of all, I wish to thank the organizer, particularly Professor Dr. Jagannath Bose, the head of the department of this great college, and Professor Dr. K. Theagarayan, the respected principal of this college, and Mr. Chiranjeevi Macha sir, secretary and correspondent of this college, and Dr. Ramakrishnan Ramesh Kumar from Israel. He's a great scientist, plant biologist, and Dr. Bharati, the organizing secretary, with a smiling face, I think so. Yes. She's, I think, she's a heroine of today's like Naila. Yes. Okay. She's, and also Dr. Sripriya. Oh, okay. Dr. Sripriya who is going to deliver a word of thanks, and she is assistant professor in zoology department. and Dr. Kesavan, Dr. Dhananjayan sir, Dr. Jagadishan sir, and then and Professor of Tamil and Professor of Zoology. I do not know exactly the name of each and every person, but my dear research scholar, my dear students, and all our staff members, the learned professors from sister college, from our in and around Madras city, and all the undergraduate, postgraduate, and research scholars of this great college. Really, I am very happy to be here to inaugurate this particular conference at the great oldest college, because very learned professors like my own teacher, Dr. Augustine Sellappa, and who has written a book, 3 authors book, Zoology book, is a very famous book. Still, the zoology students are referring for their examination as well as for their enriching knowledge in zoology. By Dr. Augustine Sellappa, we can say Dr. Kamalakarara, a great zoologist, who was worked in Pachapas College, where I did my master's degree with him, and Dr. Ita Sambasivaya is also a great professor in Pachapas College, and Dr. Augustine Sellappa. They are all a team. They have written a very nice book. So they were our teachers in zoology. Zoology is a parental subject, and botany also similar. And then Dr. P.J. Sanjeev Raj is a great man. He worked in leeches. He is also still living. He is alive, more than 90 years old. He is also a very great professor, very much attached to this college. Professor Dr. Clinician Dr. Lakshmana Swamy Mudaliar sir, A.L. Mudaliar sir, has opened this building after our independence. We got independence during 1947, August 15. He has inaugurated August 20. I have seen the foundation stone here. It is a very nice of you to see. He is a very big man. He was, as a vice chancellor, for more than 27 years record break in Madras, the great university. So he is also a scientist, very much attached to this college. His blessings always is there for the future generation of students of this college. Sir, Professor, you are a grandson of the founder. Okay, so you are also just like looking like a Telugu heroes. Okay. Yes, and very pleasant gentleman, our secretary. Yes, sir. Yes. And Dr. Vincent is a member secretary. He is also a kind man. He is a zoologist. He has given money for the organizing conference because of tight schedule. My colleague, my friend, he has not come to this college. The next time, I think this college will be conducting the original, very big international conference. We can get fund from DSP, Ministry of Other Ministries, and we will bring more international scholars on this stage. We senior professors will help the other younger colleagues to organize such a conference here. We getting money, grant to organize conference is very, very important. So that we need a time. We need a time to submit an application to get a fund before 6 months or before at least 3 months. Okay, but anyhow, I am congratulating Dr. Bharati, who has taken much pain and organized. For that, our great principal and Dr. Jagannath Bose are also helped. They are organizing. So this is a very, very important because the zoology conference is very, very important. We belong to original degree zoology. Zoology is a parental subject. I used to say always wherever I go. And then at this juncture, this college is celebrating 75th year of they started this college during 1950. And then really we are very happy. We are talking in oldest college. After 75 years, the 150 years, the other younger students will talk about Dr. Jagannath Bose, Dr. Bharati, Dr. Kesavan. They're great professors. We have studied under them like that. They used to say during after 75 years, 150 years of celebrations. And then his grandson will be sitting here. Sir, grandson will be sitting here. And India is one among 10 mega biodiversity country. We are rich in flora and fauna. We have a Himalayan biodiversity. We have a Western Ghats biodiversity. Starts from Gujarat, Maharashtra, and then Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, ends with Kerala stretch of mountain. We are rich in flora and fauna, and it's a very rich biodiversity, hotspot of biodiversity. Similarly, Eastern Ghats starts from Odisha, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. It has their own rich biodiversity. We have a Nilgiri biosphere, Western Ghats, so that we have a lot of natural resources. We are young students, we belong to Indians, we should safeguard our biodiversity. Similarly, we have a lot of intellectuals, like because tomorrow is the National Science Day, and we are going to celebrate our National Science Day because during 1928, the same day, February 28th of February, Dr. Sir C.V. Raman, who has been worked in Presidency College, he is older than Madras University, and he invented Raman's effect, the light scattering technology or something like that, and he got a Nobel Prize during 1930. After that, during 1983, another Dr. Chandrasekhar got a Nobel Prize, Indian-born scientist. He got the stars and related physical this thing. And later, the third Nobel Prize winner from India, Dr. Venkatesan Ramakrishnan, who has discovered, he is a chemistry background, it was chemistry, but he has done the structure and function of ribosomes in the cells for a main role on protein synthesis. Yes, ma'am? Is that right, ma'am? Now, what I am saying is correct because you are zoology now. Okay? Like that. Wherever I go, I will target something like that. Huh? Okay. So, madam, you are from which department? Zoology. Oh, Lila College. Oh, very great college where I studied my PhD. Okay, my PhD Entomology Research Institute. So among the Agachin Salapa, Kamalakara Rao, and the Inta Sambasivya, and B.J. Sanjiraj, they are all big boss, but more than big boss, my professor K. Nandakrishna. He is a world-renowned entomologist, and I am happy to say that I was a student of Professor K. Nandakrishna. He founded Entomology Research Institute, Lila College. He is a great, and Dr. Father Ignacy Muthu. Still he is alive. He is also a very great scientist, zoology, botany, and all related. So anyhow, I am really very happy. And then really all age groups, right from 65 to 20, they are sitting here. Everybody are interested on science. Tomorrow we are going to happily celebrate our. Very happy. I am much thankful to the organizer, particularly and also the secretary and correspondent, Professor Chiranjeevi Macha sir. Is a very different name. Okay, Macha sir. And all other, so I cannot say Machan sir, Macha sir. Okay, okay. And then, so really, I am very happy. I'm thanking everybody, each and everybody, and who have taken a photograph very nicely. So, okay. So, ரொம்ப உங்களெல்லாம் பார்க்கறதுக்கு எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. ஏன்னா இந்த காலேஜ் வந்து ஒரு பெரிய ஒரு இந்த ஜுவாலஜிஸ்ட்லாம் ஒர்க் பண்ண இடம், படிச்ச இடம். அதனால நானும் ஒரு ஜுவாலஜின்றதுல ஒரு பெருமையா பேசிக்கிட்டு இந்த வாய்ப்பை கொடுத்த, இந்த வாய்ப்பை நல்கிய இந்த கல்லூரியின் முதல்வர் மற்றும் அனைவருக்கும் என் மனமார்ந்த நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொண்டு விடைபெறுகிறேன்.
Your presence and speech have made this event truly special, sir. Thank you very much. I would like to invite our esteemed guest, Dr. Ramakrishnan Ramesh Kumar, sir, Marula Lab Zohar Hamidbar Farm, Israel, to deliver the special address.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. My warm greetings and cordial welcomes to this great event. I am very happy to be here to celebrate National Science Day. I am also happy within these 75 years this college produced so many scientists, so many professors and so many academics and businessmen. So in institutions crossing 75 years is not a simple thing. Really so many sacrifices from the founder, and the founder is very merciful person, I think, because 75 years ago our India facing several poverty and many things lack in our country. So in that time he spent a lot of his own money to establish this great institution. From this institute so many persons are graduated and reach higher in their life. I am very happy. I am also running a small school in my village more than 12 years free of cost. So I am very blessed. I am very happy in this event. My special thanks to the organizing team and correspondent sir and principal sir and HOD sir and all other university college staffs. Really I am very happy. I am working in Israel as a research scientist in seaweed and shrimp wanami culture. India have about 800 kilometers or 8,000 square kilometers of seashore, but India doesn't cultivate seaweed that much. Every year India getting 80,000 crores of seaweed materials from abroad. So it consumes a lot of money, Indian money going waste. So Indian professionals and scientists think day and night to solve these problems. So they implemented a Make in India scheme under seaweed cultivation. Each and every parts of India we should cultivate the seaweed, along with the shrimp and the fish models to enhance the values. So we also tried seaweed culture in our coastal district Nagapattinam. In whole India, 2 places are highly suitable for seaweed culture. One place is Gujarat and another place is Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, about 2 districts and 3 districts only actively involving in seaweed culture. Remaining districts, government is strongly implementing various strong policies and financial supports to motivate the seaweed cultivation. Even though many drawbacks are there, many gaps are not filled so far, so very not possible to get a higher rate of seaweed culture. So luckily I got postdoctoral fellowship in Israel. I learned many things from the Israel. In Israel, full desert, there is no water, zero water, there is no water. But in their agriculture system is very innovative and model and very novel. They are using highly efficient technology to desalinate the water, seawater. They are taking seawater and desalinate and make good water. They are using that water for drinking purpose and all other human utilities. And that wastewater they are again using for agriculture. So they are very controlling the nature, each and every. For example, in apple in India, if you buy apple 1 kg, maybe 5 to 7 apples will be there. In Israel, if you want to buy 1 kg apple, you may get 3 or 4 pieces of apple. That much bigger size apples are there, and fruits are there, vegetables are there. We think those apples and those vegetables they are producing by chemical or something else. No, that is not true. They are using highly strict policies. If you want to apply any fertilizer in the land without a lab test, you cannot apply a single microgram or nanogram of any fertilizer or insecticide, nothing else. So they are very disease-free and chemical-free environment they are maintaining. So they are controlling everything by innovative technology. If you want to apply fertilizer 1 kg urea in their land, you have to give a lab report. Your land is having low level of urea, so I want to apply urea. In India case is totally different. Every year we are applying 50 kilo rotating urea packs. This year 50 kilo, next year 50 kilo. Every year we are dumping lot of chemicals, increasing salinity. So natural microbial floras are highly disturbed. So we want to replace those kind of chemical fertilizer with organic things. So seaweed is one of the solution. So they find the seaweed. In our Nagapattinam district, I belong to Nagapattinam district, our scheme, national scheme, each district one product. Each district one product scheme. Nagapattinam comes under fish products. So agriculture and aquaculture. So we implemented some techniques in seaweed culture. I requested my Israel supervisor, scientist, please come to my Nagapattinam district. I want to do some seaweed farming. We are lacking in some things. I could not understand where is the problem lies. Please come and assess our field and everything. So one scientist came from Israel and stayed in our district about 7 days and find where is the problem, where we are lacking. So after that we went back to Israel. We did 3 years of R&D and we strongly innovated many things. we totally new to India in co-culturing of shrimp and seaweed. We got about 2 to 3 fold of shrimp production and the seaweed production. So we want to implement some techniques from abroad country to India to elevate our food production level. So this is the great time to initiate. In 75th year, this college is going to begin, 76th, sorry. So in this time, you are organizing very, very good topic, sustainable development. More than 10 to 15 years, I am listening the word sustainable development. Wherever we go for the conference, they mention sustainable development, sustainable. But sustainable development, very, very strong measures and policies we should take. So according to my personal view, this platform will help to many youngsters, maybe many students from many other districts. So each and every students will work for their own product. From R&D, they will develop a lot of product and make them commercially possible. From that thing, our college and our nation will get benefit. And personally, thank you very much for the organizing committee and college chairman sir and other correspondent principal sir. Thank you once again for the opportunity.
Thank you, sir, for the valuable information. I request our Honorable Chief Guest Dr. K. Murugan sir to deliver the book of abstracts with ISBN number in the name of publisher Theagaraya College, and the editor of the book is Dr. A. Bharati ma'am. Thank you, sir. I request our Honorable Secretary, sir, Mr. Chiranjeevi Macha, sir, to deliver the book of full-length paper with ISBN number in the name of publisher Theagaraya College, and the editor of the book is Dr. A. Bharati ma'am. Thank you, dignitaries. Now I would like to request coordinator and organizing secretary of this event, Dr. A. Bharati ma'am, to deliver the thematic address.
Very good morning to one and all. Respected Secretary and Correspondent, Mr. Chiranjeevi Macha sir, and respected Principal Dr. K. Theagaraya sir, and respected today's Chief Guest Dr. K. Murugan sir, and respected special guest Dr. Ramesh Kumar Ramakrishnan sir, and respected our Head of the Department Dr. M.T. Jagannath Bose sir, the organizing committee members, teaching staff, non-teaching staff, my dear students and participants. I welcome you all for this international conference on research innovations and Trends in Life Sciences for Sustainable Development, Icritlssd 2025. We are very proudly to say this. This is the first hybrid mode international conference in our college. And I welcome wholeheartedly to everyone. And before starting my address, I wholeheartedly thank the management, the Secretary Sir, Principal Sir, and the Convener Sir for giving me this opportunity to organize this international conference. I truly honored to serve as a coordinator and organizing secretary for the International Conference on Research, Innovations and Trends in Life Sciences for Sustainable Development. This prestigious event is scheduled to take place on February 27th and 28th, 2025 in the view of celebration of National Science Day at our esteemed institution. This conference marks a significant milestone as we celebrate 75 years of academic excellence and achievements. I am committed to continuously enhancing the growth of my department and our institution through this initiative. This conference will explore overall 17 key subjects related to its central theme, attracting a wide range of interest from various disciplines within the life sciences. I would like to extend my heart grateful gratitude to all the national and international delegates, participants for sharing their research articles and abstracts. I can proudly say this is the tribute function because we are celebrating our 75 years of academic services, and number second, in the view of the National Science Day, we gather here, and number three, I can proudly say, as an alumna of this institution, this is my 25th year of affinity in this institution. I have been associated with this institution nearly around 25 years. As an alumna, first as an undergraduate, and then as a postgraduate and PhD student. Now, I am working as an associate professor and research supervisor in my same department. I take great pride in contributing to its legacy. Organizing this international conference to elevate this institutional global recognition has been a long-standing goal of mine. A proud daughter of this soil, I pledge to wholeheartedly dedicate my efforts to enhance its reputation and contribute to its mission. Together, we can uplift its legacy and foster a spirit of gratitude and excellence. I would like to express my sincere appreciation to the members of both the management and college committees, Theagaraya Educational Institution. A special thanks goes to our esteemed college president, Dr. P. Sudhakar sir, secretary and correspondent, Mr. Ciranjeevi Macha sir, our principal, Dr. Theagaraya sir, head of the department, Dr. M.G. Davnatha Bose sir, my professors, colleagues, research scholars, and my dear students, for their invaluable suggestions and unwavering support in organizing this international conference. Together, let us make this Icritlssd 2025 a resounding success. This conference covers more than 17 key subject areas. It was started from the life and diversity of animals. This is my remembering theme because when I entered into this college, when I was studying undergraduate, the zoology paper name is not an invertebrata and chordata, the life and diversity of animals. So in the remembrance of this, I have mentioned the subject name of when I was studying in my UG, I have mentioned that the life and diversity of animal. The second theme is animal physiology and biochemistry, artificial intelligence in life sciences, aquaculture and fisheries, biodiversity and conservation biology, cell and molecular biology, cancer biology, environmental biology and toxicology, endocrinology and reproductive biology, entomology and agricultural sciences, evolutionary biology and genetics, genomics, proteomics, bioinformatics and biotechnology, immunology and microbiology, nutrition and animal health, phytochemicals for human and animal welfare, pest and disease control, veterinary science and parasitology. So these are all the thrust areas comes under this international conference Icritlssd 2025. And I can proudly say on behalf of our department, we got the ISBN number with the name of publisher of my esteemed institutions at Theagaraya College. I am very proud of this moment, publishing the book in the name of my institution on behalf of my department. So I expect your kind support and cooperation for the grand success of this conference. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable speech. Now, it's my pleasure to invite our esteemed chief guest, Dr. K. Murugan sir, to distribute the mementos to our organizing committee members of PG and Research Department of Zoology. I would like to invite Dr. R. Sangeeta ma'am, Associate Professor, to receive the memento. I would like to invite Dr. Susan George ma'am, Associate Professor, to receive the memento.
Hello.
I'd like to invite Dr. K. Kesavan sir, Associate Professor, to receive the memento. I'd like to invite Dr. B. Mohan Raj sir, Associate Professor, to receive the memento. I'd like to invite Dr. B. Murugan sir, Assistant Professor, to receive the memento. I'd like to invite Dr. A. Kudalingam sir, Assistant Professor, to receive the memento. I'd like to invite Dr. R. Sripriya ma'am to receive the memento. I'd like to invite Dr. T. Anbalagan sir, Assistant Professor, to receive the memento.
Okay, sir.
I'd like to request Dr. Prabhu, D. Prabhu sir, Assistant Professor, to receive the memento. It's now our pleasure to invite our esteemed Secretary, Mr. Chiranjeevi Machan sir, to distribute the mementos to the head of the departments of our college. To keep the gold in remembrance, Dr. S. Mahadevan sir, Associate Professor and Head of the Department of Tamil.
Stay with me.
Thank you, dignitaries. Kindly occupy the seats. Science knows no country because knowledge belongs to humanity and is the torch which illuminates the world. Now I would like to request Dr. R. Sri Priya ma'am, Assistant Professor of PG and Research Department of Zoology, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. It's truly an honor for me to stand before you to deliver the vote of thanks on this special occasion. On behalf of our department and college, I extend my deepest gratitude to everyone who has contributed to this conference. First and foremost, I would like to thank Dr. Sudhakar, President, Theagaraya Educational Institution, for allowing us to conduct this conference. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to our Secretary and Correspondent, Mr. Chiranjeevi Macha, and other members of Theagaraya Educational Institution for their support. I extend my sincere gratitude to our Principal, Dr. K. Theagarajan, for his support throughout the course of the preparation for this conference, for the preparation of this conference. A huge thanks to our Chief Guest, Dr. Kadakkarai Murugan, former Vice Chancellor of Tiruvallur University and currently a CSR Emeritus Scientist at Bharatiyar University, for gracing us on this occasion and delivering this address. We deeply appreciate Dr. Ramakrishnan Ramesh Kumar, who has come all the way from Israel to participate in this ceremony and to share his words of wisdom. I would like to thank our HOD, Dr. Jagannath Gosla, and Dr. A. Bharati, Coordinating and Organizing Secretary, for taking initiative to conduct the first international conference in our college. I also take this opportunity to thank all the organizing committee members, research scholars, and students who have worked tirelessly to make this event happen. Your dedication and efforts are truly commendable. I extend my sincere gratitude to all the faculty members and students from various educational institutions for participating in this conference, as your contribution is essential for the success of this event. Last but not the least, I thank all non-teaching staff members of our college for their support. Thank you all for being a part of this memorable occasion. Wishing you a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for proposing a vote of thanks and summarizing the key takeaways from today's event. Now I request everyone please rise for the national anthem. everyone kindly assemble here for the chief guest special lecture. Thank you.